I am here in the giant marigold patch, and they've been planted for about 3 or 4 weeks, and I'm doing this job late, so you really should do it sooner than this. I am cutting the central stem out, pinching them, so they create more stems of better quality and just sets the plant up for branching. You can see the marigold graveyard here. So I'm just going to show you here. Here's a plant that has not, let me try to get these leaves out of the way, that has not been pinched. This big thick central stem is the central stem. And we're going to make the cut and get rid of that, and that's going to encourage all these branches that you see, which I think I see 6, to just kick into gear. I'm trying to get my clippers so that you all can see, and I can do it where it's supposed to be done. Sorry, doing this by myself. So I'm going to cut right above all those side